If you want to use AI even more efficiently, you need to know about this tool. Just search for Google AI Studio and click on the first link that comes up. After hitting chat on the left menu, you select live and go with the first option. You can choose between talk, webcam, or share your screen. I will go with the share your screen because that's the most amazing function you can find here. After choosing which screen and which microphone would you like to use, your screen is shared with Google AI Studio and he can answer any questions that you are asking based on this window. He sees your screen, he listens to your voice, understands everything. I will go and test it out right now. So I open the Canva document. You can use it in any kind of apps. He knows almost every settings and everything. I would like to add a new site to this, a new slide.
You can add a new slide by clicking the plus sign in the bottom right corner of your screen next to the white box with the number 1 in it.
Thank you. Now I want to type something in it, a text. How can I do that? Can you please navigate my browser and just based on my screen help me with that?
To add text, click on the text option on the left-hand side menu. Then you can choose the type of text you want to add, like a heading or a subheading, and it will appear on your slide.
Very good. And if I want to make it a bulleted, how can I do that?
To make the text bulleted, first select the text you want to change. Then look for the bullet and numbering icon in the toolbar above the canvas. It looks like a list with dots next to it. Click on this icon to apply bullets.
Very good. And if I want to make the font size smaller, how can I do that?
To make the font size smaller, click on the text you want to change. Then, in the toolbar above the canvas, you'll see a number next to the font name, which is the current font size. Click on this number or the arrows next to it to select a smaller size.
And if I don't find something, I just obviously can ask, please can you explain it a bit more? How can I do this smaller size or bigger size? Because I cannot find this function. Explain me like as if I were a 15-year-old.
Sure thing. Right above the text box you're editing, there's a toolbar. In that bar, you should see a number, probably around 88 right now. That's the font size. To make it smaller, click on that number or the little arrows next to it to pick a smaller size.
And now he explained it as an easier language. So use this tool, and when you are not understanding something, just add that, explain it as if I were a 15-year-old, and then he just explains it more easily. And you can also just ask multiple follow-up questions like, hey, I cannot find it, there is only these options right here. So you can just list what options you are seeing, and then he will know where you are looking at. For example, here, if I said I only see effects, animations, and position, then he will know that on the left side you should look for this. But also I would like to show it how you can operate it with Excel. So I opened a blank Excel sheet and I want to summarize these 3 numbers, but I don't know how to do this. Can you please help me summarize it in this C5 section? I want to adapt these 3 numbers, as you can see in my Excel, in this column, so the C5 column. Can you help me do that?
Sure, I can help with that. First, click on cell C5 and then type the formula equals sum C2 colon C4 and hit enter. That should add up the 3 numbers and display the total there.
How can I do this? I'm a bit stuck. Can you help me with that?
Sure, I can help with that. You just need to select the cells you want to add. Type C2 colon C4 inside the parentheses. So it reads equals sum C2 colon C4, then press enter. That should add up the numbers in cells C2, C3, and C4.
And if I want to add up in A1 till E3, then what should I do? So A1, A2, and A3.
To sum the numbers in cells A1 through A3, you'll need to change the cell range in the formula. In cell C5, type equals sum A1 colon A3 and press enter. That should add up the numbers in cells A1, A2, and A3.
And as you can see, it added it up, so it's perfect. If I want to highlight this, how can I do that? So for example, do a color around it.
To highlight the cell, click on cell C5, then go to the Home tab in the ribbon. Look for the paint bucket icon, which is the fill color tool. Click the drop-down arrow next to it and choose the color you'd like to use for the highlight.
Very good. And if I want to make it bold, how can I do that?
To make the text bold in cell C5, first click on the cell, then on the Home tab in the ribbon, click on the B icon, which is used for bolding text. You should see the text in the cell become bold. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that was it. So as you can see, you can navigate in every kind of software, and he understands the icons. Mainly use it with new hires, for example, when they have questions and they don't know where to find this or that. It's just a really good tool to navigate your home screen, and it explains everything. So it's not only giving you the solution, but if you ask, hey, why are we even doing this, then it explains what's the mechanic behind it. So as you can see, I just tested it with Canva, just tested it with Excel, but you can, for example, go to your settings, share your home screen, and if you are, for example, your computer is slow, you can use it to navigate your browser and just explain how can I quit the apps running in the so you can explain to him, I want to make my computer a bit faster, and I want you to navigate me to make my computer quit these applications that I'm not using right now and consuming a lot of computing power. And he will just do that. He will explain the settings, what should you do, how can you do that, and what settings you are seeing. And if sometimes he's seeing different kind of settings, then you just list what you are seeing, and then he will choose the right menu for you. Everything is done by you, so you will learn eventually. But this is an AI assistant that you can use anytime if you have a question about computers or just menus, or you want to do anything with your settings. He understands a lot of languages, and every single time you just go to this chat icon, start live, hit here, and share your screen. This is one of the most amazing tools that no one is talking about yet. And if you like this video, please subscribe for it and tell me in your comments what you think about it. I think it's a really useful tool, so hopefully see you in the next one.